Did you know that you can earn as high as 60,000 pesos a month just by simply uploading and selling your documents online? No invest, no invites, no scam. 100% legit. This is actually for everyone, especially for students and teachers who have old study notes, reviewers, practice exams or quizzes, past papers, and old homeworks that can be used by others as references. It doesn't matter if it's typed up or handwritten, both are acceptable. Any subject, any topic, any language. May it be traditional school topics like English, math, or science, or astrophysics and fashion design. Anything can be accepted. At kahit hindi yan English, Tagalog man yan, Iloco, Cebuano, Spanish, Chinese, that's okay. Now, do you want to know what platform this is? And of course, how to start earning as high as 60,000 pesos a month? Just continue watching and I'll guide you through. Sa mga bago pa lang po sa ating YouTube channel, ako po si Carl Season at nag-upload tayo ng videos kung saan natin sinishare ang mga teknik na nagagamit natin para maging mas mahusay at mas mabilis tayo sa paggawa ng ating school requirements. Nag-upload din po tayo ng iba pang motivational videos at English tutorial videos. Kaya kung gusto nyo po ng ganyang klaseng content, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and always feel free to share our videos sa iba. So the platform that I'm telling you guys is Studypool. Studypool is an online global learning platform that helps students of all levels with their studies. Studypool offers several services to help students learn, including tutoring and a database of millions of study documents called the Notebank. And in this Notebank, anyone can upload any study document, sell it to other users, and earn hundreds and thousands of dollars as passive income. And this is very easy, guys. All you have to do is just sign up to create an account, and you can already upload your study documents. Even if you don't have time to sort your documents, just simply compile your documents in a zip file or folder and upload it. And guess what? Studypool will sort your documents accordingly. Now, after you upload your study documents, Studypool will review them, of course, and the processing time is just between 2 to 24 hours. Once your study document has been approved, your document will now be available in the Notebank. Here, your document is now for sale. You can earn up to $10, or that's more than 500 pesos, every time your document is sold. And you know what, guys? There are tens of millions of students around the world who use Studypool. So that means you have tens of millions of possible buyers. That's so good! And Studypool will do all the work. So even while you're drinking your coffee, sleeping at night, traveling, or swimming at the beach, you can passively earn hundreds and thousands of dollars. Remember, you can earn up to $10 every time your document is sold. Just to make it clear, you can earn up to $10 per document sold. So that means you will not earn for simply uploading your documents. You will earn per document sold. And remember, up to $10. So that means sometimes you might earn $9 or $8 depending upon the situation. But imagine this. If you could sell one document to 100 persons, you can earn up to $1,000 without doing anything. And that's possible. In fact, some users and top contributors here on Studypool are making up to $5,000 a month. The key to top earnings is just upload more study documents, because more uploads, more chances of selling, more earnings. Take a look at this study pool account that I'm using right now. We are now at the dashboard of study pool, and here you can see the Sell Docs button. When you click this section, you can also see the top contributors and top earners who are even earning more than $80,000. If we scroll down a bit, we would see this Upload More Files button. And that's what we need to click if we are going to upload documents, may it be a single document or a folder or a zip file. Meanwhile, you can see in this box the documents that you have uploaded and have been accepted. Now, you can also see here the bell notifications in which you will be notified when someone buys your document. And now, the exciting part is here. Here in menu, under My Balance, you can see how much you are earning. And as you can see in this account that I'm using, the earning balance is already $1,330. Wow. So that's more than 60,000 pesos. And this is definitely withdrawable. You can get it through different payout methods, including direct bank deposits, PayPal, Western Union, and other methods. Study Pool is also very transparent because here, you could see the breakdown of sales of your documents. See guys, the process is very easy. It's so easy to make money. Again, I am sharing this to you because I know that in these times, we really need this kind of extra income. But this is very nice kasi nakatulong ka na sa ibang students, kumita ka pa. That's a win-win situation. So I think that it will also be good in your part to share this video to your classmates and friends to give them the opportunity to earn as well. Don't miss the opportunity to earn hundreds and thousands of dollars from your own homes. Check the links in the description box to create your account in Study Pool. Sign up, upload your documents, and start earning now.